Well, hello. I am super excited for this video. I have my knockoff version of Salem with me. This is Osaka, if you haven't met her before. I was able to get my hands on the NYX Sabrina palette. This is sold out online. I went into Ulta one day and thought, I'll check and see if they have it, and they did. And I'm very excited. My husband and I love Sabrina. I figured we would do a first impressions video and see what kind of look we can come up with. I'm really feeling these three colors and this one up here, so we will see what we can come up with. So I think first I'm gonna go into harrowing right here. And just put that in crease. It seems to blend nicely, so that's a plus. I have to go up fairly far because of my eyelids. If I do it any lower, then I won't be able to see it. Yay for hooded eyes. And then just dust the rest on my eyelids. I think then we're gonna go in with Unholy Union on the crease again. I don't know how pigmented this is, so we'll just tap it. And when we're finished, we'll go back in and blend it out a little better. We'll do purple and green and then yellow and blue. These are shimmers. They're beautiful. There is, which one is that? Frog Legs. And we'll do Spellman over here. It's actually more matte than I was expecting. Midwinter Acrimony. We'll figure it out as we go along. I'm going to go in with Spellman on a smaller brush. There's really not a ton of fallout. I'm gonna do the darker colors on the outside. Actually, I think that would probably go on better with a finger. And then Midwinter on this other eye. Outer corner. It's not as pigmented as I had hoped, but we can darken it up with Salem in a little bit. Oh bother. That I just did with my finger, so that's fine. Let's pinch. Probably should have done the eyeshadow first. And I'm going to take Frog Legs. I feel like none of these are really showing up. I'm just kind of muddying together. Go back in with Frog Legs. And then spray it. And pat that on. Still not great. That's a little better. And then Acrimony. I make some of the weirdest faces when I put makeup on. All right, so it seems the shimmers are best applied with fingers. They don't want to do anything crazy. So I don't think I'm a fan of how this is turning out. I'm gonna put Acrimony on this side too, just to brighten it up, and then maybe add a little bit of Frog Legs to even it out. I can try not to get it everywhere. I am not having a great makeup day. Fun. And then I'm going to top it with Class in Session. That brightens it up a good bit. That's pretty. And then I'm going to add Ambrose in right here in my inner corner. This is probably one of my favorite shades in the palette. It's, let's see if I have a clean finger. Yeah. It's got like a brown shift to it. It's very pretty. That was a mistake. We are just making all sorts of mistakes today. All right, that's not working. Let's go in with Cunning. So far, I'm not having a lot of luck with this palette. I am 100% sure that it is user error and has nothing to do with the palette, but it's slightly frustrating. All right, let's blend all this. I'm gonna go back in with harrowing just to blend everything together. It looks so patchy. I'm sure if I had cut my crease, it probably would have looked better. The colors would have shown up more. But I wasn't thinking. I'm in a rush for time and just trying to get it done and make it look decent. I'm gonna darken up the edge or the outer corner with Salem, which is the black color in here. And just to be crazy, I think I'm gonna take this red shade called Hell on Earth and put it on my lower lashes just to add a little bit of creep factor because Sabrina is a creepy show. And then I'm gonna take more of Unholy Union and put it under there too. That's a bit crazy. Oh well, we'll make it work. I'm going to go pop on some lashes. I'm going to go put some lashes on and I will come back with my final thoughts on the palette. So this is the final look. I threw on a wig and some dark lipstick and some eyelashes. Excuse the eyelashes, they are a disaster. I left my glue out in the car and it got chunky. So there's that. Here are the eyes. Honestly, I really like the look. I like the dark. It's just kind of my favorite style. The wig's fun. Longer than Sabrina's, obviously. And I don't have a black ribbon. But you get the idea. As far as the palette goes, it's a really pretty palette. The shimmer shades, like I said, only work with my finger. I mean, that could just be me. But the color story is beautiful. I am still in love with this Ambrose shade. And this gold one is really pretty too. A bit chunkier than some of the other ones, but very pretty. Actually, I'm gonna put on a little bit of the blush from the palette. I'm gonna try Harvey. Nice pinky glow. And then Caliban is kind of a highlight shade, so we'll put that over too. Yeah, it's pretty. I really like the palette. The colors worked well. They blended really easily. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I would love to have you here. If you liked it, click that thumbs up button. If you didn't, please let me know what I can do to help my channel. I am still a new channel. I'm learning, I'm growing, and I want to be here and have fun with you guys. I love having you. Question of the day, have you seen Sabrina? Do you prefer the old Sabrina the Teenage Witch or the new Sabrina that's on Netflix now? I hope to see you all next time. Bye, guys.